when how the deep the ocean, then mountain never return back in. Possible or not?
No, because it will solve in the water.
Huh? I'll call everybody. Where they are? Listen, Harikatha.
Todo mundo. Guru, in the mic we can announce.
Oi, todo mundo. What is it?
Todo mundo, vem pro Harikata.
Todo mundo vem to
Harikata. Harikata.
Todo mundo vem to Harikatha. Huh? So, bring one Chaitanya Charitamrita, small one.
Como é que faz esse negócio?
You know Duan? Do you know which one? Blue one. Blue one.
Como é que tem isso aqui? É uma biarra de cima. Quebrou agora, não funciona. Peraí que tem um negocinho pra prender, peraí. Esqueci aqui, ó. Mas tem gente que sabe fazer bombinha, sabe? Dá pra aprender, né? Tem gente que faz um negócio assim, segura, né? Deixa eu ver. Esse.
Harish. Krishna Balaram.
Washing the bathroom and taking shower.
प्रभु कहे कृष्ण सेवा वैष्णव सेवन निरंतर कर कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन तबे रामानंद राय आर सप्तराज खान प्रभुर चरणे किछु कइल निवेदन गृहस्थ विषय आमी के मोर साधने श्रीमुखे कर्ण आज्ञा निवेदी चरणे प्रभु कहें कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन सत निरंतर कर प्रभु कहें कृष्ण सेवा वैष्णव सेवन निरंतर कर कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन सप्तराज बले বৈষ্ণব চিনিব কেমনে, কে বৈষ্ণব কহ তার সামান্য লক্ষণে। প্রভু কহে যার মুখে শুনি একবার, কৃষ্ণ নাম সেই পূজ্য শ্রেষ্ঠ সলাকার। এ কৃষ্ণ নামে করে সর্ব পাপ ক্ষয়, নবেদা ভক্তিপূর্ণ নাম হইতে হয়। দীক্ষা পুরশ্চর্য বিধি অপেক্ষা না করে, জিহা স্পর্শে আচণ্ডালে সবারে উদ্ধারে। অনুসঙ্গ ফলে করে সংসারের ক্ষয়, চিত্ত আকর্ষিয়া করয় কৃষ্ণ প্রেমোদয়। আকৃষ্ট কৃত চেতসা সুমনস সমুচ্চানং চাংসা, আচণ্ডালং মুখং করো লোকং সুলভু বশ্যস্য মুক্তি শ্রিয়। ন দীক্ষা ন চ সৎক্রিয়া ন চ পুরশ্চর্যা, মনাবিচ্ছতে মন্ত্রোয়ং রসনা স্পর্শেব, ফলতি কৃষ্ণ নাম আত্মক। Once some devotees of Kulingram, they asked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we are grihastha. Grihastha means householder. We are householder and staying with our wives, husband, children, cows, cats, dogs, so how will you practice the devotional service to Lord? শ্রীমুখে আজ্ঞা নিবেদি চরণে, গৃহস্থ বিষয়ে আমি কি মোর সাধনে। শ্রীমুখে করেন আজ্ঞা নিবেদি চরণে। They very humble ask Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, "Ye Prabhu, we want to listen some instruction from your lotus feet." You are saying, শ্রীমুখে করেন আজ্ঞা নিবেদি চরণে। প্রভু কয়ানি কৃষ্ণ সেবা বৈষ্ণব সেবন, নিরন্তর কর কৃষ্ণ নাম সংকীর্তন। প্রভু কহেন, মহাপ্রভু তো সাত কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ সেবা। Every householder should be worship, that is Vigraha Seva. Vigraha Seva is very important. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Sevan, Mathura Vas আর শ্রদ্ধা শ্রীমূর্তি সেবা। সকল সাধন শ্রেষ্ঠ এই পাঁচের মুখ্য অঙ্গ। কৃষ্ণ প্রেম জন্মায় পাঁচের ফল সঙ্গ। চৈতন্য চরিতামৃতম explains there are 5 limbs of bhakti. There are first that is called sadhu sangha, or is associated with sadhu. Sadhu sangha. But which sadhu? Everybody will say I am sadhu. But should we associate with Swajatya Asa Snigdha Satobhare? Sadhu Sangha means like minded. Swajatya Asa. Snigdha. Snigdha means one's heart neat and clean. And free from all kinds of material desires. And one who 24 hours absorbed with Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha and Krishna Seva. Understand or not? Sajatya or another also like-minded. Like-minded, that means if you want to serve Divine Radha and Krishna, you have to associate with that devotee who worship Divine Radha and Krishna. This is that. So this is called Sajatya Asa. Asa means one inner core of heart, antarhridaya. Inner heart. One's inner heart free from all kinds of material desires. Antarhridaya. And no duplicity, no hypocrisy. Antara bahire samavyabohar amani mano dohava. Antara bahire samavyabohar amani mano dohava. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Inner court and outer heart should be same. No duplicity. So antara bahire samo vyavahar amani manodaho. Amani, never hankering for own name, fame, reputation. Or manada, give the respect to others. So antara bahire sama vyavahar amani manodaho. So you have to associate these types of Vaishnavas. And one who 24 hours absorbed Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha, Krishna Seva. It's very important. And according to Rasa Madhurya also, if you want to serve Krishna with Madhurya mood, Madhurya mood means? What do you mean Madhurya mood? Conjugal mood. You have to associate with him. That's it. As like those who mood, Gopi Bhav. Then you Braja Gopi Bhav, Vahive Sabhav, Anubhava Narohive. Anubhava Narohive. No, any other mood will not. Only one mood. What mood? How will serve Krishna with the Supreme Person of Godhead and under guidance of Braj Gopis. Braja Gopi Bhav, Vahive Sabhav, Anubhava Narohive. So Sajatya Asa Sangha, the sadhu sangha. Listen many sadhus, but except who is your like-minded devotee. And others katha just enter in this way and go in this way. You understand this? So saying it is very careful. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Hare Chant, Hare Name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan. Listen, Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarugaliта phalam sukam khadam mridrava samjitam pivata bhagavata rasa malayam muro rasika bhuvi bhavaka. Because Srimad Bhagavatam called the embodiment of rasa, Rasamadhurya Jaganta, and full of melodies, rasa. And no any skin, and no any seed, and completely full of juice, melody. Vedrupi Kalpavriksha. Vedas is as like Kalpavriksha, and that tree's fruits, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama Kalpatarugalitta Palakam Phalam Sukha Mukhadamrita Drava Samjutam Pivata Bhagavata Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavaka. So now we have Bhagavad Shravan or Mathura Vash. Mathura Vash means? Para. Have to reside in Brajamandal, not Mathura. Mathur Mandal. And Brajamandal means Mathur Mandal. So for this regard, Mathura Vas. Mathura Vas means, what did he say, Mathura Vas? Fala.
For me? Lives in Mathura.
Reside in Brajamandal. They have mentioned the Mathura because Mathura is called Mathur Mandal. Brajamandal. There you go. Old. And especially have to stay at the footprints of Srimati Radhika. Radha Adipatta Bhumi. Here Srimati Radhika, she performed her sweet amorous pastimes with Krishna. That Giriraj, Govardhan, Radha Kunda, Shyam Kunda, Nandagaon, Varshana, Kakilavan, Javat, Seva Kunja, Nidhuvan, Nikunjavan. So where will not stay? Everywhere Srimati Radhika is there. Only should not stay in the place of Sakistali, that the place of understand? So Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathuravas, a Srimurti, Saddha Shravan. You have to worship deities with firm faith. Vigraha Shiva. Grihastha householder should be worship Vigraha Shiva. And those who are, oi, come Harikatha.
Hey!
Why are you running here? Come here, Harikatha. No taste Harikatha. What did he say? Vigraha Shiva. Or those who are Tagi understand, renounced person, they have no time. If they have time, they can also worship Thakurji as I Lokanath Das Goswami. Worship Lokanath Das Goswami. Worship Radha Vinodi Lal. Rup Sanatana. But always they are not serving. Sometimes actually they also serve this Thakurji with the Brahmana, sometimes giving the Brahmana because they always absorb to remembering pastimes of Krishna and doing parikrama, Giriraj Govardhan parikrama in Sanatana Goswami Bhai. And every day he used to go Vrindavan to Govardhan, 21 kilometers. He doing parikrama, then coming in Mathura, taking some Madhukari, and again return back in Vrindavan. You cannot do this. One day, just do parikrama, Giriraj Govardhan parikrama, then you tire.
4 days resting.
4 days resting. For Prabhu says, Prabhu Sanatana Goswami Pad. So Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathuravas, are Srimurti, Shraddha Shiva. Sakal Sadhan Sishta. Panche Mukha Sam. Krishna Prem Janamai, Panche Alpa Sam. Panche Mukha. And among these 5 limbs of Bhakti, just a little bit do. Then Krishna Prem will manifest in it. তার মধ্যে সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ নাম সংকীর্তন। নাম সংকীর্তন is very important. Because in this Kali Yuga, नाम संकीर्तन Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One day, I asked Gurudev in Mathura, our Tirtha Maharaj had Giriraj Govardhan. So So one day he asked, could I worship Giriraj Govardhan Vigraha? Well, no. Huh? I chant holy names. Huh? Understand? If you do Vigraha Seva, time, need time or not? Huh? At least 1 hour. 3 times you offer Thakurji. Huh? And also worship maybe 2-3 hours need also. So Gurudev, let him to worship Giriraj Govardhan. Huh? Nonsense. Our Goswami also doing this. They have no time to worship Thakurji. Sometimes they give this seva to Brahmana. Raghunath Das Goswami, he worshipped Giriraj Govardhan. How? Just offering 8 tulasi leaves, Ashtadal tulasi, and some prasad, chanting holy names. Our Goswamis, they worship Thakurji. Understand? Not only, mostly they also give to the Brahmanas or the simple way they worship. Because they always are absorbed to Ashtakalin Lila. So they have no time. Sometimes they worship, but not always. So we are also saying, Grihastha Visayami Kimor Sadhane Srimukhe Koreno Agga Nivedi Charane. Sataraj Khan. Kulin Vasi, Kulin Gramin, Sataraj Khan, he asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Dear Prabhu, we are Grihastha, so what will do? Mahaprabhu told, Prabhu can Krishna Seva, Vaishnava Seva, Sadhu Vaishnava, and only chant Krishna. And he has said, Prabhu Gayan Krishna Seva, Vaishnava Seva, Nirantar Krishna Nam Sankirtan, Sataraj Bale Vaishnava Chiniba Kemone, Ke Vaishnava Kohatar Samanna Lakhane. Because Mahaprabhu gave instruction. How many instructions? 3. If Krishna Seva, Vaishnava Seva, Nam Sankirtan. If Krishna Seva means Vigraha Seva. Or Vaishnava Seva or Nam Sankirtan. So Sataraj Khan, he asked, Ye Prabhu, you told me serve Vaishnava. Vaishnava Seva. Ke Vaishnava? Who is Vaishnava? Kohatar Saman Lakhan. What is the symptom of Vaishnava? How do you know he is Vaishnava? Putting tilak, kunti, mala, taking one japa mala. Is he Vaishnava? He is not Vaishnava. What did Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told? Who is Vaishnava? प्रभु गए जार मुखे सुनी एक बार कृष्ण नाम सही पूज्य श्रेष्ठ सबकार एक कृष्ण नामे करी सर्व पाप क्षय नविदा भक्तिपूर्ण नाम होइते है. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told one who chant one pure holy names, एक कृष्ण. Why Mahaprabhu said the jar mukhe suni ek Krishna naam? Not many. How many? One. Ek Krishna naam. Ek Krishna naam means one holy name means is what? Suddha. Nama Parad, Nama Bhas and Suddha naam. 3 types of chanting holy names. Sadai Nama Parad, Kabhu Nama Bhas, ये सब जानिए भाई कृष्ण भक्ति बात. तो कृष्ण भक्ति बाद है. Conditional soul mostly chanting holy name, that is called नाम अपराध. अपराध युक्त होना है. Namabhas. Namabhas. What is meaning Namabhas? Yeah? When no Samundra Gyan and no Vaishnava Aparad. That time chanting holy name, that name is called Namabhas. Understand? Yeah? How do you know your Namabhas manifest in your tongue? Yeah? If you not criticize any Vaishnava. But still you have no the knowledge of relationship. That time chanting holy names, that is called Namabhas. Yeah? First Namabhas destroy all sinful activities. Yeah? Then again and again Namabhas coming, that Namabhas create the Sukriti. Namabhas is white Sukriti. Yeah? You understand now? Yeah? Ajamil, when he chanted son's name Narayana, first name. Yeah? First day, when he chanted his son's name Narayana, that name is what? Namabhas. At that Namabhas destroyed all his sinful activities. And again and again he chanted his son's name Narayana, Namabhas. And that Namabhas created the Sukriti. Eh? And when that Sukriti mature, accumulated and matured, then he got the association of sadhu. Sadhu. So Ajamil he got association sadhu or no? Which sadhu? Vishnu. Or you are Pakka. Vishnu. When Vishnuduta and Jamaduta, they discuss about this Nam Tattva. And Ajamil is listening. But this is called sadhu. Jamaduta he told, Ajamil he is sinner, Mahapapi. He committed very sinful activities. For this regard, we are going to bring him Jamaluka. And Vishnuduta he told, no. You cannot bring him Jamaluka. Well, why not? Because he chanted holy names, Narayana. Then Jamaduta told he chanted holy name, actually that is the name of his son. Then Vishnu told, okay, this is true. Ajamil, he chanted his son's name, Narayana. But whose name is first? His son's name first or Narayan name is first? Narayan name is innumerable time, Anantakal, eternal. And just he gave his son's name Narayan. So for this regard, Vishnuduta told, Sankettam parihasam stovam heloram evava Vaikuntha nama grana asisagaram vinurti. Anyhow, if you chant holy names, then all your sinful activities destroyed. But here is no offense. Ajamil, he committed offenses, committed sinful activities. Ajamil, he committed sinful activities, papa. But he did not commit offense the lotus feet of Vaishnava. For this regard, Namabhas. You understand or not? Ajamil, in his life, he did not kill any Vaishnava. He killed the stupid nonsense person. Jog में ऐसी arrange दीजिए. Jog में ऐसी arrange. He killed many Brahmanas also. Killed many other persons, those who are not doing bhajan and sadhana. And Ajamil did not kill any Vaishnava. And Vishwanath Chakravarti. And so that means Ajamil, he committed papa. And Ajamil, he was not Vaishnava Aparadhi. He was sinner. So for this regard, when Namabhas coming, then Namabhas destroyed all his sinful acts. Maybe your question will come. So Ajamil, when he first chanted his son's name Narayan, Namabhas coming. So why did again and again sinful activity papa karma? Why? Question. Because his previous habits unknowingly he is doing. If you say, okay, I am doing also previous habit, that is called naam bole paap. There is another problem. You cannot do. You cannot compare with Ajamil. Opiche sudrajaro bhajate man ananya bhava sadhurev samantavyo sammago vyavasita hisa. Khipram bhavati dharmatma sachunti kontya pratijani nome bhakta pranishati. Krishna says. Opiche sudrajaro. One is called durajaro, bad behavior. And another very, very bad behavior. But he one pointed with Krishna. Here in this verse, Krishna says that should be one pointed with Krishna. He did not worship any demigod. Only one pointed with Krishna. Opiche sudracharo bhajate mam ananya bhava sadhureva samantavya. Krishna says, this is my conclusion. What is conclusion? He is sadhu. He is sadhu. Well, why? Because he one pointed with me. He surrendered. Absolutely surrender my lotus feet. So I will purify his heart. So saying next part we sing Khipram bhavati dharmatman. Khipram means what is the meaning of Khipram? Very quickly. Very quickly he will become dharmic. Why? Because I will purify his heart. This is Kipram Dharmadvadan Savachandi Kunti Pratijani Nam Bhakta Pranishya. This is so now come in this way, Ajamil is Namabhas. First Namabhas, all his sinful activities destroyed. Again and again he chanted his son's name Namabhas, then create Sukriti. With that Sukriti, then he got the association of Sadhu Sangha. What Sadhu Sangha? The conversation between Jamadutas and Vishnu. Harikatha Sabha. Harikatha Shravan is very important. Understand? And when Sadhu Sangha, then you chant holy names, then pure holy names will manifest in your tongue. And Suddha Bhakta Nam Kirtan. With the association of pure devotee, Nam, Harinam, then pure holy names will manifest on your tongue. You understand? When pure holy names will manifest your tongue? Bala.
Association when you chant holy names.
Huh?
Association of sadhu.
Bala.
When you chant holy names in the association of sadhu.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Prem coming or not? Huh? Coming? Coming on the way. Because all anartha is removed. Not one day, just. Only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to tiger, hey, chant holy name. The tiger raised his two paws and chant holy name. One day he asked Gurudev, how the tiger chanted holy name just Mahaprabhu. But our great acharyas, they have had them Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because they are Manjari. So why, when they are saying why, they are not chanting, they are not chanting Holy Name. Not Prem, not come. Come. Anarthas removed. And aparadh. Actually, that tiger or others, that are also not ordinary jivas. Actually, who are they? Pala. Association of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nitya Parikar, that's they are doing Leela. Do you understand or not? They are not, actually they are not Jiva Tattva. They are called also Parikarta. Mahaprabhu's Leela, most of the words, Parikarta they are called. Parikarta means those are eternal, etc. Transcendental. Only few name is coming, they are called Jiva Tattva. So the tiger, that tiger, actually the tiger is coming from where? Guru Vrindavan. They are acting this role. Understand this? Jiva Tattva, they are not also Jiva Tattva. And if you say the Jiva Tattva, they are thousand lives, they also perform bhajan and sadhan. Then what Maharaj? Maharaj, sit here. They also did bhajan and sadhana, not one day. For this regard, they got darshan to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You understand? If you say that tiger is not ordinary tiger. They are also sadhak, thousand lives, they did bhajan and sadhana. And if you say, if they are Jiva Tattva, also they did bhajan and sadhana many years. Or in the Parikar Tattva, they are doing this Leela. This. So, Prabhu kahe Vaishnav Sevan, no, what is it? Krishna Seva, Vaishnav Sevan, Ajamil Katha. Ajamil Katha also is saying this way. Ajamil, he chanted son's name, Narayan Namabhas coming. But again question will come, why he committed again and again sinful activity? Then Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Madhurya Ayurvedic Grantha explains. That is his previous habits. As we say, Kipram Bhavati Dharmatma Satchvanti Konti Pratijani Name Bhakta Vinashati. This verse was there. Are given an example, if you take out the, what is it called, fangs of the snake. The snake, in its previous habit, will bite. But poison will not come because already you remove the fangs. In the same way, Pajamil, he did this simply according to his previous and so now coming in this way, प्रभु का कृष्ण सेवा वैष्णव सेवन और निरंतर करो कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन. Three things. कृष्ण सेवा माने विग्रह सेवा, सर्व वैष्णव, here Vaishnava means Guru Vaishnava both. Because, but why not written here Guru Seva, Vaishnava Seva? Maybe your question will come. Here is not mentioned Guru Seva. Here saying Krishna Seva and Vigraha Seva. Or Vaishnava Seva. Why not Guru Seva? Vaishnava, Guru is also Vaishnava. Vaishnava is Guru, Guru is Vaishnava. This thing. Guru is called Vaishnava Agravana. Agravana is the topmost Guru, topmost Vaishnava. For this regard, not mentioned Guru Seva. It says Vaishnava Seva. Vaishnava Seva. Because disciples, they are spontaneous nature to serve to Guru. Our Guru is Vaishnava, Vaishnava is Guru. Guru is Vaishnava, Vaishnava is Guru. Rupa Goswami Pad, he is my Guru or Vaishnava? Vaishnava. Generally we are saying Guru means, I receive Diksha mantra from him, he is called my Guru. Gurudev. Or others they are called Vaishnava. But here is one thing, Guru is Vaishnava, Vaishnava is Guru. Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru, Bhartma Vadarshva Guru, or another Chaita Guru, Bhajan Pada, Bhajan Shiksha Guru, many kinds of Guru. But when he is the Guru, Diksha Guru is one. Shiksha Guru many. Understand? But Shiksha Guru should be same mood of my Diksha Guru. Otherwise, your mind will be disturbed. So now here he is saying, Prabhu कहें कृष्ण सेवा वैष्णव सेवन, वैष्णव सेवा, सकल वैष्णव मो हरिशन, सकल वैष्णव गोसाई दया करो मोरे, दंते दिन धोरी कहे ये दिन पावन. Very nice. They are saying this. What is that? सकल वैष्णव गोसाई दया करो मोरे, दंते दिन धोरी कहे दिन पामरे, श्री गुरु चरण यार श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य पाद पद्म पावाइया मोरे कर धन, तुम्हा सवा nice in this bhag. One Vaishnava, his name Radha Mohan Das. सकल वैष्णव गोसाई दया करो मोरे. Oh, venerable Vaishnavas, give me your mercy, holding a straw between my teeth with a wretched and sinful person and petitions you. And make me fortunate by helping me attain the lotus feet of Sri Guru and Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Without this mercy of you all, this is unattainable. I say with certainty that I especially and unqualified. And you are always fulfilling trees and ocean of mercy. And this is attaining your mercy is the only hope I hold within my heart. I do not process and addition. No, I do not possess this and iota of good qualities, and there is no limit of my offenses. So the people of this world your glories by delivering me. आमा उद्धार या लोके दिखाओ महिमा. That's it. Please show your great compassion, my bestowing a taste for Nam Sankirtan and treasure of Prem upon this Radha Mohan Das. Very nice this song. So now coming in this way, Vaishnav Seva, Krishna Seva, Vaishnav Seva, Nirantar karo Nam Sankirtan. Nirantar means continuously. So how you sleep? How you eat? Maybe question will come. You would sleep or not? Are you sleeping? No. Actually, why you are sleeping? Vaishnava, why you are sleeping? For Krishna Seva. Krishna Seva. Suddha Bhaktas, all their activities, that is called Krishna Seva. If you will not sleep, then headache will come. Cannot chant holy names, cannot chant. So for this regard, you have to sleep. Vaishnava, Suddha Vaishnava, all their external activities for Krishna Seva. You are eating or not? They are eating for also Krishna Seva. Prasad Seva. Why? Because if I eat prasad, then again I serve to Krishna. Or if you not eat, so how will you sleep? How? Then your tiredness coming. Then you cannot see it, you cannot listen Hari Katha. What do you say? Then you go, Gurudev, my headache coming. So that means Vaishnavas, all their activities also are Krishna Seva. Now standing over again. सत्यराज बोले वैष्णव चिनी वो के मने के वैष्णव तार सामान्य लक्षण जार मुखे सुनी एक कृष्ण नाम सही पूज्य सही श्रेष्ठ सेवा का एक कृष्ण नाम में करे सर्व पाप क्षय नवोदा भक्ति पूर्ण नाम विद्या. One Krishna name will come. That is what Krishna name? Suddha name. Not nama, not aparadita name, not one Suddha name. Tomorrow we discuss. How is part? Ready? Hey, Arati. It's coming. Now quarter 2 o'clock. Okay. Then all you take prasad. Prasad Hari Katha. Hari Katha prasad. This is my philosophy. Understand? We have no job, only one job. Not two jobs. Eat prasad and Hari Katha.
Gurudev que cozinhou, hein?
Sim.
listen Harikatha, then you can digest. Good or not? Oi, Dasamudin Nandan, Kata. Arti, Arti. Arti Pujari. You offered Thakurji or not?
Yes,
Offered finish?
I think so.
Oi, stand up.
Não, mas é pra finalizar aqui? Não, pode finalizar. Pode?